Hi, I'm Keiko Lynn, and today I'll be showing you a picture-perfect picnic, which I put together entirely with amazing HomeGoods finds.
Like most people, I've spent a lot of time at home the past year, and I've found joy in making everyday things a little more special. Like, for instance, taking a backyard picnic and elevating it with a little more thought and care than a simple blanket and basket.
Feel free to put your own creative spin on this. For reference, I'll be using 2 tablecloths and runners for the base, pillows, wooden trays and a small table, a small cutting board and a basket, flowers, a beverage dispenser, cake stand and cover, cups, plates, bowls, napkins, and flatware, a wooden tiered stand, and of course, snacks from the HomeGoods gourmet food section.
The first step is to pick your theme. I went for a cottagecore setup, so I picked wood, linen, wicker, and florals for a very romantic vibe. I like to stick with a color theme, but I like to mix and match textures and patterns, and it makes it feel a little more cozy and homemade.
Once you've established your theme, start with the base. This can be anything from a picnic blanket to assorted throw rugs or blankets, sheets, or tablecloths. I found these gorgeous linen tablecloths at HomeGoods, and I decided to pair them together for one giant base, layering a linen and floral runner down the middle for more texture. Make it comfy and cozy. Adding pillows, cushions, or even an extra throw makes everything feel cozier and will give you a nice little place to relax when you're taking your post-picnic nap. Establish flat surfaces and levels for visual interest. I found this great little table that will give us a solid, even foundation for any food or drinks that might otherwise tip over. Displaying finger foods on different levels, like this tiered stand, creates visual interest and frees up space. Add in some color and texture with decorations. A cottagecore theme needs a bit of whimsy and romance, so flowers are a great touch. Skip paper napkins and go for cloth, which are less likely to blow away in the wind, and dress them up with some simple twine or go extra fancy with some napkin rings. I like to keep any flatware and napkins in a little basket that matches the decor and keep things organized. Dress up your snacks from HomeGoods gourmet food section with cute containers and pretty drinkware. Simply swapping out a bag for a decorative bowl or pouring a store-bought beverage into a glass pitcher elevates the look and mood of a picnic. Again, I'm skipping single-use plastic cups and going for real glasses that fit the theme. It makes a backyard picnic feel like such a special occasion. And now your picnic is picture perfect. Show us your HomeGoods inspired picture perfect picnic by using the hashtag HomeGoodsFinds.